Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals. My daily members-only live streams on Zoom and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So on the pound yen, I still think this is extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think we're in a wave 4 right now, which will probably make 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level before it goes up and makes that wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the wave A. I think we're in a wave B right now, which does not necessarily have to be over. It could go up more. Eventually, I think it is going to go down and make a wave C, probably at least to the 50% fib, right around the 178 area before potentially it goes up and makes another attempt to the uptrend for the wave 5. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely are in this little drop-based drop zone that I've been looking at, and we are at these Fibonacci levels that I've also been talking about. So if we do get a break of structure to the downside, that probably would tell us that the wave B is over. We really don't have a Fibonacci bounce, so I think it's probably more likely that it's going to go up again, probably make a new high, make a new structure level, and then go down and break structure. But we need to keep an eye on it. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is right here. So this break of structure right here is what would tell me that the wave B is complete. But like I said, the fact that we didn't hit a Fibonacci level and looking at other yen pairs, I think this could be another ABC correction to the uptrend. So definitely pay attention for a possible end of a correction and another entry to go long. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me this looks very corrective. It looks like this is even possibly like a wave A right here. This is like a 3-wave pattern for wave B, and maybe this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, and then it's going to go up, break structure, and continue the uptrend. So I'm definitely still leaning towards long opportunities. I'm definitely looking at all moves to the downside as nothing more than possibly a correction to the uptrend, at least until we get that break of structure that we've been waiting for. If price does decide to go down and break this structure, I will be more than happy to start looking for sorts at the end of pullbacks after the break of structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.